Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Trek with Bill. We got a quick install video today. We're going to be installing the Quadratec dead pedal for the Wrangler or JT. So let's get to it. All right, folks, so just to recap, the instructions for this dead pedal was of a different design from Quadratec, where it didn't have that top notch over here that you guys see. It didn't have the top one. So the installation was a little different when I started, where it said you had to add like a spacer down here or whatever. That didn't make any sense, so took it upon myself to just unscrew this 13 mil or something like that, or 10 mil, 13 mil, 10 mil, something like that. Anyways, so I took that one out and I just left that one guided into the thread up there, and I installed it back in, and well, as you can see, it's solid. It's not going anywhere. I tightened it up, and so yeah, but there was something different to that. So it was different from what the instructions say, right? So the way I started the video and everything, this says to add the coupler on here to the, but it doesn't make any sense. So it would sit to, like, I don't know how this was designed, but it wouldn't fit properly. Like, this would have been way too low, and it, I don't know, there makes sense. So that's what I did. I installed and did it that way, and it seems to fit just right the way it was intended. This little knot fits right where it's supposed to be, as you guys saw. So that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick install. And if you may have recently ordered the Quadratec dead pedal for your JT Wrangler JL, you know, you might see that differently, might get confused as well in the instructions that they provide and what you actually have to install. So hopefully this video does help you out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh.